Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SYSKA SuperGlam hair straightener. This is a pink colored straightener as it looks on the box. The model number is HS6810. Maximum temperature that this particular straightener goes up to is 230 degrees Celsius, and it also comes with high temperature resistant ceramic coated plates. Over here it's written lightweight stylish design with simple lock function. Heat balance technology prevents damage from heat over concentrations. 60 seconds rapid heating function. And on this side you get to know all the different components of this particular straightener. And that's it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. And this is it. This is what the straightener looks like. It comes in this hot pink variant. It also has a safety lock feature. So right now you'll notice that this clamps are held tight together. So that's because this is locked. So you see the safety lock feature. The moment I remove the safety lock, it's now accessible and you can now use it. This comes with ceramic coated plates, heating plates. There you can see these are your ceramic coated, I don't know if you can see this properly. These are your ceramic coated plates. And what else do we have? Let me just lock it back in. There you go. And there is this 360-degree swivel tangle free cable. This is a flat power cable along with a 360-degree swivel that comes attached to this particular straightener. This is also a pretty long cable and comes with this is a 250 volt cable, power cable at the end of this particular straightener. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the SYSKA SuperGlam hair straightener. Thank you for watching.